aspirants, I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of Analyst IAS. In the Bridge series, we will be discussing all the questions which came from 2015 to 2022 subject wise. So our today's topic for discussion is the Geography MCQs which came in prelims 2021. Total number of questions which came were 12. So we'll start with today's topic. Question number 1. The vegetation of savanna consists of grasslands with scattered small trees. The forest development in such areas is generally kept in check by one or more of the combination of some conditions. Which of the following are the such conditions? First, burrowing animals and termites. Second, fire. Third, grazing herbivores. Fourth, seasonal rainfall. Fifth, soil properties. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. You can pause the video, try to answer. Now we will look towards the answer. So basically the forest development in such areas is kept in check due to certain conditions which include fire, grazing herbivores. Fire, uncontrolled burning of the grassland leads to wildfires. Therefore second statement was correct. Grazing herbivores, overgrazing by animals leads to desertification and removal of vegetation. So this is also a kind of check. Statement third is also correct. Seasonal rainfall. Savanna regions have two distinct seasons, a wet season and a dry season. There is very little rain in the dry season. In the wet season, vegetation grows including lush green grasses in the wooded areas. Therefore, statement 4 were correct. So, through this, you have your answer as C, which is 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2. With reference to water on the planet Earth, consider the following statements. The amount of water in the rivers and lakes is more than the amount of the groundwater. Second, the amount of water in polar ice caps and glaciers is more than the amount of the groundwater. Which of the following statements given are correct? You can pause the video, try to answer. Now we will look towards its answer. There is more fresh water stored in ground than the rivers. Therefore, first statement was wrong. Some of the water flowing in the rivers also come from seepage of the groundwater into the riverbeds. Water from precipitation continually seeps into the ground to recharge the aquifers. So first statement was incorrect. Of total fresh water, over 68% is locked up in the ice and glaciers. Another 30% of fresh water is in the ground. So therefore your only second statement was correct. So the answer is B. Question number 3. Consider the following statements. Moringa is a leguminous evergreen tree. Tamarind tree is endemic to South Asia. Endemic means it was originated here or it is found only in this region of the South Asia. In India, most of tamarind is collected as a minor forest produce. Fourth, India exports tamarind and seeds of moringa. Fifth, seeds of moringa and tamarind can be used in production of biofuels. Which of the following statements are correct? Pause the video, try to answer. So basically the correct answer to this is B. Why is it so? Because moringa is not a leguminous evergreen tree. It is a small deciduous tree native to the tropical Asia but also naturalized in Africa and tropical America. Second statement said that tamarind is endemic to South Asia, but tamarind is popular in the Indian subcontinent and in Central America and Mexico, but it is indigenous to Africa. Therefore, second statement was incorrect. India exports the tamarind and moringa seeds and fruit leaves and flowers of moringa are used in food industry. Its seeds can be used in biofuels as well, and same goes for the tamarind. Therefore, your answer was B only by elimination. Now, question number 4. The black cotton soil of India has been formed due to weathering off of brown forest soil, fissure volcanic rock, granite and schist, shale and limestone. Pause the video, try to answer. So basically the correct answer is the correct answer is B. Why is it? Because black soil, also known as rigger soil or black cotton soil, is ideal for growing cotton. Black soil is a typical of Deccan Trap region spread over northwestern Deccan Plateau, is made up of lava flows they were formed during the volcanic activity in the Deccan Plateau. Therefore, statement B was correct. Fissure volcanic rock. Statement 5. Question 5. How is permaculture farming different from conventional chemical farming. Permaculture farming discourages monoculture practices, but in conventional chemical farming, monoculture practices are predominant. Conventional chemical farming can cause increase in soil salinity, but the occurrence of such phenomenon is not observed in permaculture farming. Third, conventional chemical farming is easily possible in such regions. 4. Practice of mulching is very important in permaculture farming but not necessary so in conventional chemical farming. Select the correct answer using the code given below. You can pause the video, think about this question. Now we will move towards its answer. So permaculture is a totally integrated design system that is modeled on the nature. Permaculture farming promotes multi-cropping, integrated farming systems, whereas chemical farming is more suitable for monoculture crops due to use of crop specific inputs like irrigation, chemical fertilizers, harvesting methods. So statement first was correct. You are left with only two options which are A and B. Then chemical farming makes the soil less fertile over time due to use of chemical fertilizers, which can lead to serious problems like soil salinization and being the land can become barren as well. But such problems do not occur in permaculture farming as it relies on the organic fertilizers. Therefore, statement second is also correct. Therefore, your answer is B. If you want to read more about the third and fourth statement as well, you can pause the video, try to and look towards the answer. We'll move towards question number 6. With reference to the palm oil, consider the following statements. The palm oil tree is native to Southeast Asia. B. The palm oil is raw material for some industries producing lipsticks and perfumes. The palm oil can be used to produce biodiesel. Which of the following statements given are correct? Pause the video, try to answer. So basically the correct answer is B. The palm oil. The palm oil is edible vegetable oil that comes out of fruit of oil palm trees. Oil palm trees are native to Africa but were brought to Southeast Asia over 100 years ago as an ornamental tree crop. The tree grows best in tropical climates with abundant water. Hence statement 1 was not correct. Palm oil is used in cosmetic products like lipstick, perfumes. It's one of the most cost-effective cosmetics ingredients. Due to its high fatty acid content, it can be used to make surfactants, emulsifiers and emollients. Therefore, statement second was correct. And palm oil can be also used to produce the biodiesel. Therefore, your third statement was also correct. You are left with your answer second and third. Question number 7. With reference to the Indus river system, of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one of which joins the Indus directly. Among the following, which one is such river that joins the Indus directly? You can pause the video, try to answer. Now we look towards the answer. The Jhelum joins the Chenab near Jang in Pakistan. The Ravi joins Chenab near the Sarai Sindhu. Then Sutlej is joined by Chenab in Pakistan. Thus Sutlej receives the collective drainage of the Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. It joins Indus a few kilometers above the Mithankot. Therefore, your correct answer is D, Sutlej. Question number 8. With references to India, Didwana, Kuchaman, Sargol and Khatu are the names of glaciers, mangrove areas, Ramsar sites or saline lakes. Pause the video, try to answer. So with this reference, the answer is D. All these are salt lakes which lie in the region of Rajasthan. Question number 9. Consider the following statements. Brahmini, Nagavali, Subharna Rekha, Vamsadhara, which of the following above rise from the eastern Ghats? Pause the video, try to answer. Now we will look towards the answer. First of all, the Brahmani river, also known as the South Col, rises near Nagari village in the Ranchi district of Jharkhand. Therefore, first statement is incorrect. Eliminating first, you are left with second and third. Then, the Nagavali river originates in the eastern Ghats near the Lakhbahel located in Kalahandi district of Odisha, and Langulya is another name of Nagavali river. Therefore, statement second is also correct. Subarnarekha river originates in the Chota Nagpur plateau near the Nagari village in the Ranchi district of Jharkhand. Therefore, statement third is incorrect. It does not rise in the eastern Ghats. By eliminating third, you are left with only one, which is second, and fourth is correct, as the Vamsadhara river rises in the eastern Ghats of Orissa and enters Srikakulam districts in Bahamani Mandal and finally falls into the Bay of Bengal near Kalinga Patnam. Therefore, 4 was correct. Question number 10. Among the following, which one is the least water efficient crop? Sunflower, sugarcane, pearl mint or red gram? Pause the video, try to answer. So basically your correct answer is A, sugarcane. Why is it so? Because the sugarcane is a highly water intensive crop. Sugarcane is an important cash crop cultivated in India. It is least water efficient crop. The water requirements of sugarcane is 1800 to 2200 millimeter per season. Therefore, option A was correct answer, which was sugarcane. Question number 11. Consider the following statements. In tropical zone, the western sections of the oceans are warmer than the eastern sections owing to the influence of the trade winds. Second, in temperate zone, westerlies make the eastern sections of oceans warmer than the western sections. Which of the following statements given above is are correct? Pause the video, try to answer. Now we will look towards the answer. Warmer water is transported westward in the ocean by the northeast trade winds in the northern hemisphere of the tropical zone. So in tropical zones, the western sections of the ocean is warmer than the eastern section due to the trade winds. Therefore, statement first was correct. The westerlies play an important role in carrying the warm equatorial waters and winds to the western coast of the continent, that is eastern section of the oceans in the temperate zone. Thus, in temperate zones, westerlies make the eastern sections of the ocean warmer than the western section. Therefore, statement second was also correct. Therefore, your answer is C. Both 1 and 2, both are correct. Now, we will come to our today's last question. Question number 12. So, leaf litter decomposes faster than in any other biome, and as a result, the soil surface is often almost bare. Apart from trees, the vegetation is largely composed of plant forms that reach up into the canopy vicariously by climbing the trees and growing as epiphytes. Epiphytes are the plants which are basically live on the plants, which are epiphytes on the plants rooted on the upper branch of the trees. This is the most likely description of coniferous forest, dry deciduous forest, mangrove forest or tropical rain forest. You can pause the video, try to answer. Now we look towards the answer. So the hot and humid conditions make tropical rainforest an ideal environment for bacteria and other microorganisms. Because these organisms remain active throughout the year, they quickly decompose on the forest floor. In other biomes such as the deciduous forests, the decomposition of the leaf litter adds nutrient to the soil. But in tropical rainforest, basically the plant grows so fast that they rapidly consume the nutrients from the decomposed leaf litter. Therefore, option D is correct, which is the tropical rain forest. This was all about today's video of the bridge series. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS for your better preparation. Thank you. Have a nice day.